it grows. I should have known, I should have seen. That look in your eyes is not letting me in. I can't believe this.
Hey my lovies, I'm coming to you today to do a quick review. This review is a unit review, and this is brought to you by a company called, I want to say it's pronounced AOZWIGS or AOZWIGS. But yeah, they are a Amazon based company, so if you're interested, I will have all information listed down below in the description box so you all can check them out. I have posted about this company before on my channel as well, and they sent me this long wavy kind of like orange pink unit to review for them. This retails for $16.99 on Amazon.com. It does not come with Prime shipping. If you are a member, it cannot be shipped Prime, so you may have to wait a little bit for your unit. It came in this bag here with the company's name on the front. You get the like a guide here on other units that they offer, information here on the company and all of that good stuff. And they also include a netted cap as well in your packaging. The wig came in a plastic bag as well inside of the pink packaging, and it comes wrapped like this. And I already have my head prepped, my cap and stuff, because I did have on another wig from this company. If you follow me on Instagram, if not, follow me on Instagram, I will follow back. But the short black bob that you saw on my Instagram is from this company as well. So yeah, so it looks like this. And this unit does not come with combs. No combs at all. It does have your faux parting space there. You have two straps on both sides. And this is what the construction of the unit looks like. Easy to run your fingers through, which is good. Not getting any shedding from it, which is good. So I'm gonna try it on. And this is what it's looking like. Like I said, it's easy to run your fingers through it. I want to say this is, now I'm getting some shedding there. Okay, so you will get some shedding. I did not do any plucking to this parting space at all. So that wouldn't be a reason why I'm getting shedding. It's just shedding. And when I run my fingers through it, I'm getting more shedding. So that's from running my fingers through it. This is a, I want to say this is a Kanakalon synthetic unit. Also, y'all Lovies saw the blind unit that was from this company as well. And I want to say this unit and the blind unit are the same in texture, and I remember that one being a synthetic Kanakalon unit, which I love the way the synthetic Kanakalon units feel. And that's how the pattern looks, if you Lovies can see. Still have like some I would say this fits. It fits because I do have a big head. So I would say it fits pretty good. It could be a tad, just a tad bit bigger, just a little, but nothing to really complain about. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the back. If y'all can see the back. And it comes a little under my bra strap. So yeah, but I really like this unit. I think it's pretty. I like the color. I love the body on it. Very sleek and cute. The pink, I love the shade of pink. It's not too much pink. Well, it's not too pink, and which y'all know I will do bright pink. I have no problem, but I just love this particular shade of pink. So yeah, very, very pretty. I do recommend putting on a new cap like I have on with this unit, because it kind of like, you know, it'll camouflage your real hair underneath it. As far as like right here in the back, it could be a little bit thicker in the back. In here you have more fullness, like up in here. This part right here, just a tad bit thicker, like right here in the top of the head. It could be for me, but other than that, nothing else really to say about it, other than I do like this unit. It is affordable. Like I said, it retails for $16.99 on Amazon.com. I will leave all information down below in the description box so you lovers can check them out and check this company out. They have lots of affordable units, both human hair and synthetic. They have hair, like virgin hair and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely check out AOZWIGS. And thank you all for tuning in. I got a brain fart. But thank you all for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you babes in the next one.